Hey everyone, OptimusPhillip back again with another review, and today I'm going to be taking a look at something a little different, a sonic screwdriver. Now, this is not just your average ordinary sonic screwdriver toy, it is also a Wii remote controller. Fully functional, according to the packaging, and it actually does work with your Wii. So, yeah, packaging, I don't want to dwell too much on it, but I'm just going to give you a quick show of it. There's the Doctor Who logo, the sonic screwdriver remote controller thing, the whole this works with your Wii call out. Read up here on the screwdriver if you want to read it. And yeah, it's a very nice display in the package. And even at the top you can see the, I'm assuming that's supposed to be the time vortex from the show. Doesn't look quite like what I've seen. So, yeah. Well, right out of the box, you need to attach the wrist strap manually. I've already opened it up before and attached the wrist strap. Well, actually, I think it was Mom who attached it. Anyway, yeah, it's a pretty nice looking piece. Now, from what I've seen, it's pretty accurate to the sonic screwdriver from the show. I wouldn't be entirely certain. I have only seen episodes with the 9th and 10th Doctors, but still, it's feeling nice. It's basically got all the controls of your standard Wii remote: power button, D-pad, A button, B button, stuff like that. Now, one thing that's not immediately obvious is, can this thing utilize one of these? Gonna have to edit out that sonic screwdriver falling. So anyway, can it use a Wii nunchuck? Well, let's see. There's a port on the bottom, which looks like it could take one, and yes, you can in fact attach a Wii nunchuck to the remote, to the sonic screwdriver. So, yeah, it's it's fully functional. And, yeah, let's take a look at how it compared to a real Wii remote. This is kind of an awkward setup for me, so I apologize. As you can see, the screwdriver is significantly longer than a normal Wii remote. And this has the jacket on it, which gives it an extra bit of length, not a whole lot, but still. It's not nearly as long as the sonic screwdriver. So yeah, and it does fit into your hand quite nicely. And, well, not entirely certain how well it would fit into adult hands, but it fits in my hand quite nicely. So yeah, it's very it's not uncomfortable to hold, really. And the batteries are actually, you don't have to keep replacing them. They are rechargeable. You get an included USB cable, which you can plug into the bottom of the screwdriver. Like so. Like so, see? And you can plug the other end into the USB port on the actual Wii console, and you can charge it with the Wii. This differs from Wii remotes that are sold separately from the actual Wii, where you have to replace the batteries. But, so yeah, it's pretty nice. It's definitely, from what I've seen, it's quite accurate to the show model, or the one used in the show. Oh, and it actually has all the features of a standard Wii remote, and the extra length provides some advantage with games like Mario Kart, where you have to hold it with two hands horizontally. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Cool. And yeah, as I will show you, if you're viewing this on YouTube right now, I will show you that it does in fact work as a Wii Remote. So I will show you that from your point of view now. Okay, so I have the sonic screwdriver Wii Remote activated, as you can tell by this player 1 light, and I have the Wii activated and the TV on. And yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is, at least with mine, the A button doesn't always respond, but still, if you hit it right, it'll respond just fine. So yeah. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to show you just how effective this sonic screwdriver remote is as a Wii remote. Anyway. So I've created a Mii specifically for use as, well, I've created a Mii to look like the Doctor for this purpose. It's just now, and this will not support a Mii remote jacket. For all you safety nuts out there, just so you know. So I went with boxing because let's show you that the nunchuck can be used with this, which I kind of already did, but I'm going to do one that demonstrates the nunchuck will work with this. Okay, now we're getting into the actual fight. Yeah. So, yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, it's a fully functional Wii remote that can actually use the nunchuck. And with that, we end this review. So, actually, I forgot. I need to state my opinion. So, yeah, I really do like this. Despite the fact that I haven't gotten to the Doctor it goes with yet in the show. But yeah, it's still a nice piece as it is. So if you're a Doctor Who fan and you have a Wii, you might want to pick this up. But if you're not a Doctor Who fan, then this probably isn't for you. But since I am, I highly recommend this. So yeah, this episode, roll it up.